Welcome to Zero Budget Tech. My name is Robert and I'll be your host. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to make a bootable USB flash drive with Ventoy on Linux graphical user interface. If you are going to be following along and creating your own Ventoy disk, you will need the following: a USB flash drive with a capacity of at least 8 gigabytes, a Windows or Linux ISO image file, a Linux computer with root privileged user. As a quick aside, if you want to procure a USB flash drive that doesn't suck at a reasonable price, check out microcenter.com and see if there is a store near you. I will leave links in the description below to some choice picks you can order online. If you do not yet have a Windows or Linux ISO file, watch our other video on how to download a Windows 10 or 11 ISO image, or head over to ubuntu.com and download a copy of Ubuntu Desktop ISO now. Ventoy's official website is at ventoy.net. So we're just going to open up a browser and head on over there. Once you get to their website, go to the downloads page. And things have been changing a little bit. They used to have you download from GitHub, but now they'll have you right from their site go to SourceForge, and then you can download from there. It's a small download, so it should be pretty quick. There we are. So let's head over to our downloads, and you'll find that Ventoy tar.gz file. Right click on it and choose extract here. Go ahead, drill down into that until you find the folder that has all the files in it. The Ventoy GUI 8664 is probably what you're looking for, unless you're running a specialized machine. And before we run that, we want to go ahead and plug in our USB flash drive. Alright, so our drive is installed, so let's go ahead and double click on Ventoy. Then you'll need to provide some credentials to escalate your privilege. Alright, and it opens up. I've only plugged in one USB drive, so that's definitely the right drive. You always want to make sure it is the right one. And once you've done that, choose install. And it wants to know if you're okay with deleting whatever's already on that drive. I am. And it's going to double check. Again, okay. Congratulations. Ventoy has been successfully installed to this device. Alright, we can go ahead and close the app. So now we'll go over and open up that new Ventoy drive. And it looks like an empty drive, like any other USB. So what we can do is head over to our downloads and grab a ISO or two. I'll take my Ubuntu drive, or ISOs, copy and paste them over here. Alright, there you have it. We've copied over both of our ISO files onto our Ventoy USB flash drive. So all that's next to do is to restart the machine, or whichever computer we would like, and boot our Ventoy drive. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that now. Alright, here we are in the Gigabyte UEFI dual BIOS. So here you'll look for your Samsung flash drive, click on it and hit enter, and there it is. You have a Ventoy menu, and we can choose, let's go ahead and boot the live server in normal mode. Alright, and there you have it. We're now ready to install our Linux, Ubuntu Linux server. Now that you have your bootable Ventoy USB flash drive, come back to zerobudgettech.com or watch our other videos on YouTube. Thank you for following along. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Feel free to leave us a comment below and tell us about your favorite way to install Linux or what ISO images you keep on your Ventoy drive.